Now we're going to add some content to the section with the class of atmosphere. So let's scroll down here and find that section element. Let's hit a few returns, split this open. And now before we add any tags here, let's review the HTML elements we're going to need based on the layout. So for the atmosphere section, we're only going to need an outer article element. And then inside of the article element, we'll have an H2 tag, we'll have a paragraph tag, and an anchor link. And we're going to style this particular anchor tag the same way we're going to style the one up in the heading area. So back in the HTML file, let's start with our article tag. Let's end the element. Let's come in here and split that open. And then inside of the article element, we need to add our content. So just like before, instead of us typing in all of this content, let's go back to our snippets file. Let's scroll down to the atmosphere section. Let's find the H2 tag and the paragraph element. Let's select and copy all of this content. Go back to index.html and let's paste that inside of the article area. So now with the H2 and paragraph in place, we want to add that anchor link that we're going to style just like inside of the heading area. So after the paragraph element, let's hit a return. Let's type in anchor tag. Let's add a class of btn, then a space. Next we'll add a title attribute. So title equals. Let's come up here and copy, creating a modern atmosphere. Let's paste that inside of the title attribute. Then outside of the attribute, let's add an href. We'll link that to a £, end the tag, then end the element. And then inside, instead of making the link say creating a modern atmosphere, we're just going to type learn more. So if somebody rolls their mouse over learn more, they'll see the title attribute come up saying creating a modern atmosphere, but I don't want the label of the link to match the heading. So now with this content in place, we can save our work, go back to the browser, hit reload. We'll now see our new H2 tag and the rest of our content for the atmosphere section. So now with this in place, next we'll add the content for the how-to section.